If you own Binance Coin or are thinking about investing in it, you absolutely need to watch this video. You'll kick yourself if you miss out on this crucial information. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the BNB token, the native cryptocurrency of Binance. Hello and welcome to BB Elevate. We're diving deep into the Binance native token BNB coin, its vital role within the Binance ecosystem, and predicting what the future holds for this exciting digital asset. Stick around till the end. I promise you won't regret it. By the time you finish watching this video, you'll have gained 1000% confidence to make well-informed decisions about investing in Binance Coin or any other cryptocurrency. While I'm not promoting Binance Coin for investment purposes in this video, I'll provide you with comprehensive information and expert analysis reports to empower you to make informed decisions. The BNB token, native to the Binance ecosystem, has become a significant player in the cryptocurrency market since its inception. With a compelling growth story, robust use cases, and strategic initiatives, BNB has established itself as more than just a utility token. This article explores the journey of BNB, from its launch to its current market position and future outlook. I'm reminded of an old saying, if you want to climb a tree, first check its roots and strength, or you'll fall midway. In our case, the tree is BNB coin, and climbing it represents investment. The roots are the founder and its history. Now, you might be wondering who said this. Well, if I tell you, you might not believe it. It's me, the BB. Well, let's have a look to history and founders. Binance Holdings Limited, branded Binance, is a global company that operates the largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. Binance was founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, a developer who had previously created high-frequency trading software. Binance was initially based in China, then moved to Japan shortly before the Chinese government restricted cryptocurrency companies. Binance subsequently left Japan for Malta and currently has no official company headquarters. Origins and launch: BNB was launched in July 2017 during an initial coin offering, ICO, by Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Initially, BNB was issued as an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, with a total supply of 200 million tokens. The ICO price was set at 15 cents per BNB, raising approximately $15 million. The funds were primarily used for exchange development, branding, and marketing. As we examine the roots, let's also check if the branches are strong enough to support our weight. By weight, I mean investment, specifically the price history and market capitalization. These factors will help us understand if the branches are strong enough to support our investment journey. BNB's price has experienced significant fluctuations, mirroring the broader crypto market trends and the expansion of the Binance ecosystem. In July 2017, the price was $0.11. By the end of 2017, the price reached $6.68. At the end of 2018, the price was $6.16. As of December 2019, the price saw a 100% growth, reaching $13.14. By 2020, the price reached $33.17. In May 2021, BNB hit an all-time high price of $690.93, with significant growth throughout the year, ending at $581.88. However, in 2022, BNB experienced a downturn, ending the year at $244.95. The market was stable in 2023, with BNB ending the year at $276.60. As of August 2024, the current price of BNB is $481.96. Market cap: the live price of BNB is $481.96 with a current market cap of $86.51 billion. The 24-hour trading volume is $1.58 billion. BNB to USD price is updated as of now, 2024. Let's see how spread the root is. I mean supply of token. The token has a circulating supply of 145.9 M tokens out of a total supply of 145.9 M tokens. BNB is the native token of the BNB chain, a blockchain network closely related to Binance, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges. It is not same before in launching the supply was 200 million tokens were issued at launch, 40% of which were reserved for the Binance team, 10% for angel investors, while the remaining half was sold to ICO investors at an initial sale price of 15 cents per BNB coin. Not yet done here, Binance will continue to perform quarterly burns until it buys back and destroys 100 million Binance coins, 50% of the total supply. The practice ensures that the supply of Binance coin remains finite, making it scarce and more valuable. This technique is the company's way of trying to create tokens of greater value over time. This information. Keep in mind that this will be crucial for making informed investment decisions. Let's examine the tree's significance. The tree represents BNB coin and the world symbolizes Binance Exchange. In short, BNB's role in the Binance ecosystem. BNB serves multiple functions within the Binance ecosystem, including 1. Trading fee discounts. BNB holders enjoy reduced trading fees on the Binance Exchange, a feature that has contributed significantly to the token's adoption. 2. Binance Smart Chain. BNB powers the Binance Smart Chain, a blockchain platform that supports smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. BSC has gained popularity for its low transaction fees and high speed, competing with platforms like Ethereum. 3. Staking and DeFi. BNB can be used in various decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, including staking, lending, and liquidity provision. 4. Token burns. Binance regularly conducts BNB burns, using 20% of its quarterly profits to buy back and burn BNB, reducing the total supply and potentially increasing the token's value over time. It is time to carefully assess the environment. When I say environment, I am referring to the Binance Exchange. Launch of the Binance Exchange and ecosystem expansion. The Binance Exchange officially launched in July 2017, quickly gaining traction due to its wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, high trading volumes, and user-friendly interface. Binance's success has led to the expansion of its ecosystem, which includes various services like Binance Academy, Binance Research, Binance Launchpad, and Binance Labs, all aimed at promoting blockchain technology and innovation. The introduction of the Binance Smart Chain in September 2020 marked a significant milestone, allowing developers to create dApps with smart contract functionality. BSC's compatibility with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, has made it an attractive platform for developers seeking lower fees and faster transaction speeds compared to Ethereum. The Binance Exchange officially launched in July 2017, quickly gaining traction due to its wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, high trading volumes, and user-friendly interface. Binance's success has led to the expansion of its ecosystem, which includes various services like Binance Academy, Binance Research, Binance Launchpad, and Binance Labs, all aimed at promoting blockchain technology and innovation. Have you ever wondered what will happen to our tree in this environment? Future outlook and prospects. The future of BNB looks promising, driven by several key factors. 1. Growing ecosystem. As Binance continues to expand its services and offerings, the utility and demand for BNB are likely to grow. This includes potential new use cases in NFTs, gaming, and beyond. 2. Evolving regulatory landscape. Binance's proactive engagement with regulators worldwide may enhance its reputation and stability, positively impacting BNB. 3. Technological advancements. Ongoing improvements to the Binance Smart Chain and the development of new blockchain solutions could further bolster BNB's value proposition. For those interested in or currently involved in the cryptocurrency industry, here is recommendation from BB Elevate. Investing in BNB or any cryptocurrency depends on several key factors. 1. Market dominance and use cases. BNB has established a strong position within the Binance ecosystem and serves a wide range of purposes, including providing trading fee discounts and fueling the Binance Smart Chain. Its diverse applications offer significant utility and potential for robust growth. 2. Track record. BNB has exhibited remarkable growth, albeit experiencing volatility like most cryptocurrencies. While its past performance can provide valuable insights, it should be noted that past success does not guarantee future results. 3. Future prospects. Binance's sustained expansion, technological progress, and BNB's ability to adapt to regulatory changes and market demands will determine its future growth potential. 4. Risks. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and speculative. Regulatory developments, technological changes, and market sentiment can significantly impact prices. It is vital to acknowledge and understand these risks. 5. Personal financial situation. Evaluate your financial situation, investment objectives, and risk tolerance. Cryptocurrencies ought to be a component of a diversified investment portfolio. Before making any investment, it is recommended to conduct thorough research and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Many investors and experts hold a strong belief in the bright future of Binance Coin, BNB, confidently asserting that its journey is ongoing and far from over. They firmly anticipate substantial growth and a significant rise in BNB's value in the near future. This unwavering positive outlook is supported by Binance's relentless expansion, the continuous development of the Binance Smart Chain, and the ever-increasing adoption of BNB across various applications within the Binance ecosystem. Remember this: BNB has transformed from a mere utility token to a pivotal element of the Binance ecosystem, mirroring the extensive expansion and advancements in the cryptocurrency realm. Given its multifaceted applications, strategic undertakings, and formidable market standing, BNB stands poised for sustained significance and prospective expansion in the future. Nonetheless, just like with any investment, potential investors must be cognizant of the market's volatility and undertake comprehensive research. As we wrap up for today and reflect on the environment and the tree, I would love to hear your thoughts on whether you think the tree is strong enough or not. Please feel free to share your comments below. If there are any other relevant videos you'd like to see, please leave your suggestions as well. Thanks for watching. We hope this deep dive into the BNB token and the Binance ecosystem has provided valuable insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest in cryptocurrency and beyond. See you in the next video.